Alright everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you send money from USA to Canada through Remitly. To send money from US to Canada using Remitly, you'll need to create an account either through the website or mobile app. So for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the browser version. So type in Remitly. So once you type in Remitly, it's gonna take you to the official link. So click on the first link that appears. After which, it's gonna show you the interface, which will look something like this. So now what you have to do is, so once you are taken to their official page, the interface will look something like this. So click the login button and enter in the credential, all that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly enter in my information. First of all, you have to select from where you are actually sending. If you are located in the United States, you want to select US, and then for the to country, you have to select Canada. Once you do it, so the interface will look something like this, and click on the send money. When you go to the send money tab on the next field, if you're sure about it, click on continue. You have to go ahead and select the payment method. So for the payment method, you could either go ahead and select bank account or maybe delivery of the cash, or you could go ahead and select other method as well. So quickly enter in details selected, so and that way you'll be able to send money from US to Canada using Remitly. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.